Once in a while, we hear these words, "The heat is on." Sa mga mahilig pong manood ng basketball dito, annotators or commentators would say this when teams would rally and have a good ball defense and offense one after the other. Minsan, ginagamit natin ito kung may magandang mga pag-uusap ang nabubuo in between persons, groups, or individuals. O minsan, masasabi o masusukat din natin ito when we are productive sa isang bagay. Fire would not only mean a destructive element, but fire flames up. Fire makes a cold heart warm. Fire makes a lifeless person passionate, alive, and kicking, so to say. Fire makes every heart alive when we feel down. You notice, my dear brothers and sisters, today we've heard not a soft nor a gentle Jesus, but a Jesus on fire, a Jesus whose heat is on, a Jesus who would like to have heat and fire over us. By saying that He wishes to cast fire on the earth and would love to see it blazing is but His deepest desire for all of us. He wanted all of us to be on fire. He would not want destruction, since destruction is not of God. He would not want defeat, since defeat is not of God. He wanted for us fire. And that fire is not a destructive element, but something that will build up. Fire to make us passionate. Fire to make us energetic and zealous. As the heat is on for Jesus to make us better and blessed, so also for us, the heat is on for us. Ayaw niyang papatay-patay tayo. Gusto niya na ang bawat isa sa atin buhay na buhay sa mundong ito. Most especially these days that many of our brothers and sisters are suffering because of Typhoon Christine, most especially those badly affected. I know that it is very cold and cozy to be comfortable and to feel secure. But it is a call for every day. It is an everyday call to be on fire. The heat is on every day. To be on fire to help. To be on fire to pray. To be on fire as a neighbor. To be on fire as the face of God to each of us, most especially those who are suffering right now. Fire will not destroy us. Fire will heat us up. Fire will make us alive. Fire will make us passionate. And let Jesus supply this in our hearts, to make us alive, to make us passionate, to make us bold every day of our lives.